Hey everyone! If you're running a mid-sized brand or a third-party logistics company, you already know the basics of pick and pack. You've likely moved past simple piece picking and have a solid batching process in place. But now you're facing a new set of challenges: increasing order complexity, tighter service level agreements, and the constant pressure to optimize labor costs. Today, we're moving beyond the fundamentals. We're not just talking about what the picking methods are, but how to strategically deploy them to build a flexible, scalable, and highly efficient fulfillment engine. Let's quickly level set. Your batch picking process is your workhorse for common, multi-item orders. And bulk picking is your go-to for handling business-to-business shipments or replenishing a forward picking area for your highest velocity product items, or SKUs. These are foundational, but relying on them exclusively creates rigidity in your operation. The real gains come when you layer in more advanced logic. This is where zone picking becomes a game changer, especially for large facilities or catalogs with diverse product types. Instead of one picker covering miles of aisles, you assign pickers to specific zones. They become experts in that area, dramatically reducing travel time. The most advanced version of this is a pick-and-pass system, where an order tote moves from zone to zone, often via conveyor, getting items added as it goes. This minimizes picker congestion and is incredibly efficient for orders with many line items spread across the warehouse. Now let's talk about wave picking. This is where you truly start orchestrating your warehouse floor. Instead of just releasing orders as they come in, you group them into short, concentrated intervals, or waves, based on shared characteristics. The most powerful application for 3PLs and brands with tight deadlines is sorting by shipping priority. You can create a wave for all your expedited orders that need to leave by 2 p.m., followed by a wave for standard ground shipping. This ensures you meet every single cutoff and service level agreement without last-minute chaos. It requires robust warehouse management system capabilities, but gives you unparalleled control over your daily workflow. This naturally leads to the conversation of single-person versus team-based fulfillment. The single-person model, where one person picks and packs an entire order, is great for accountability but can create bottlenecks, as your fastest picker might be a slow packer. For scale, a team-based assembly line approach is almost always more efficient. You have dedicated pickers, dedicated packers, and dedicated QC. The key is to constantly monitor for workload imbalances. If your packing station is always waiting for a product, you know you need to optimize your picking flow. The ultimate goal is to build a hybrid model. Your WMS should be the brain of the operation, automatically segmenting incoming orders. For example, all single-line, high-velocity orders, filter them into a bulk pick to an assembly line packing station. Complex, multi-line B2C orders, route them through your zone picking pick-and-pass system. Need to clear all FedEx priority orders before the 3 p.m. pickup. Release a dedicated wave pick for just those orders at 1:30 p.m. This is dynamic fulfillment. You're not forcing orders into a rigid process. You're adapting your process to the unique profile of every order. By moving from a single-threaded approach to a strategic, multi-threaded picking system, you can break through your throughput ceilings, reduce labor costs, and build an operation that's ready to scale. This is how you turn your fulfillment center from a cost center into a competitive advantage. Pick and pack strategies are powerful, but they only work if your system can keep up. That's why we built Shipedge, turning advanced workflows into simple, automated processes. Learn more at shipedge.com.